Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a like-new 2017 Dodge Journey Crossroad all-wheel drive, stock number Z7484A. Only 2,000 miles and there's one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Journey brand new, Contusion blue pearl in color. You do receive the balance for the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Journey seats 7. Rear heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable. In-floor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. Middle row seats. Fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 2. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. 50/50 split folding rear seat. Folds flat easily, giving a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And of course, with only 2,000 miles, extremely clean. No dents or dings in the body. This Crossroad has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 2,000 miles with driver information system, operated by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats along with heated steering wheel. Great for those cold winter days. 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. And lots of storage space in the armrest. Glove box with all the owner's materials. Additional storage under the front passenger seat. Overhead, auto dimming mirror. Power moonroof control. Home link transmitter for garage door opener, and conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Journey has a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average 24 on the highway, and again, only 2,000 miles on those tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7484A to 662.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.